Hello everyone, I'm Zen Manne from the June 2021 batch. Joining Bodhi was probably the best decision of my life. I've had just the most amazing 2 months. The instructors are just brilliant, so full of energy, so enthusiastic. They ensured we all stayed motivated, me, my peers, everyone. Everyone performed so well only because the instructors were so amazing. 2 months just flew by without us even noticing or even realizing that we had learned so much. Personally, it helped me quite a bit with confidence, with staying generally peaceful, focused, driven. I think the most evident change was in Karma Yoga. So thank you so much Bodhi, Ashok sir, Sargam ma'am, Bhavya ma'am, Riku ma'am and Swastik sir for making my journey here even more beautiful.